Hey, it's Sam Manor from Little's Travel Restraints. Today we're down here at Raby. I'm here with my mate Michael, and we've got a 1963 Holden. Mate, it's a Holden what?
EH Special.
EH Special, okay? Now, you've always heard me say these are a classic, and it's all about the seatbelt, not the paint job, not the engine or the undergears, what you put in the car. Unfortunately, Michael was given some seat belts, so they're retractors, so they're pretty much standard belts, but still looks great inside the vehicle. So I'm going to show you what we've done in here. He's bought the car, that was his neighbour's father's car, and he has inherited this car. I mean, it's great. I mean, he did pay for it, by the way, it wasn't inheritance. So anyway, I want to show you what we've done inside the car. We've put retractors at the front, put two statics at the back, and a lap belt. So bring the camera over and have a look at this. As you can see, I mean, this car is, nothing's been touched. In fact, Michael is the second owner. And so he's been given these belts because they never had a chance to actually put in there. And you can see these static belts in the back here. Okay, these are the statics. They work just as good as a retractable belt. You see that nice fit over the shoulders. But at the front here, we'll open the back door. I'm going to bring the camera around here, Michael. And have a look at this. We've got the retractors at the front. I mean, they kind of work really well with the stalk buckles on there. Again, it's just a standard webbing. I mean, these came with the vehicle, I mean, probably a couple of years ago, but it works, fits perfectly on him. Michael's really happy. He's got a classic. He can't wait to get his wife into the car. She's at soccer at the moment, but you know what? When he gets home, when she gets home, they're going for a drive. I'm Sam. I hope this video has been helpful, and we'll catch you on the next video.